What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Gilded Tech. Today we're reviewing this Ubeesize 10-inch ring light and tripod. Got myself one a little over a week ago, decided to cop one for wifey, so gonna unbox it here on the channel and see if you guys like it. Let's get into it. Yes, this is my first unboxing. I'm excited. It's always like Christmas when you got a, actually, it's upside down. I already marked out my address for the weirdos out there. So, let's pop this bad boy open. Always cut away from yourself so that we don't have any accidents. I've had this knife for years. I couldn't even tell you where I got it from. Alright. Out in the middle. Now this package comes with a tripod, a ring light, and a holder for your cell phone. Oh, that's not bad. Now this isn't the exact model that I have recording this. Alright, nothing crazy here. It's a ring light set. Alright, 10-inch ring light. Let's get this out of here. Oh, look at that. Actually, I think this is the exact one that I bought. Yeah, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. So, let's pop this open. Check out the contents. So like I said, we got this tripod here. I want to say it gets about 3 feet tall, maybe a little less. Nice little carrying bag. I appreciate that. I'm going to keep it real. Anytime I get anything that has a carrying bag, I take it out of the carrying bag, then I never use it again, ever. It's like glasses, when they give you a case for your sunglasses. Here we go. Not bad, not bad. It's just your run-of-the-mill tripod there. Nice little ball joint. It's got a level here to make sure that your shots are even. It makes a great tabletop tripod as well for one on the floor. Like I said, I think it gets about 3 feet tall. All you have to do is unpop these legs here. Just 3 on each side. There you go. Pop that bad boy right on out. And now it's just as tall as, well, half as tall as I am. I'm like 5'10", somewhat tall. This thing's gonna get plenty of use. It's like the 3rd tripod we have in the house. We use them all the time for random things. Alright, so let's put that guy right there. Next up, we have the actual ring light. Nice protective bubble wrap, air packaging. Yeah, this is the exact model that I bought, because I remember thinking, I've never had a packaging like this before, so be careful with it. It is plastic, not glass, so that's one thing to, to consider. It doesn't really get hot. It is a LED light. Oh, nope, I lied. There is a difference. So on the ring light that I'm using now, these touch buttons aren't here. There's actually a little, whoop, shaking the camera. There's actually a little switch here that controls the type of light that comes out, whether it's a white light, a warm light, or a dim light, and the intensity of that light. And of course the power button. Here it looks like it's actually on the LED itself. So that's cool. I think I prefer the little cable switch, just because I don't want to be touching the light while I'm recording, but that's okay. So we got that. Nice little 10-inch. And it has a little wheel here, so you can put your camera holder, phone holder on top. I'm assuming that's what's in this box here. Alright, let's see what we got. We have, yep, we've got our phone holder. This phone mount is so great because on the back you'll see this knob. If you loosen it up, you can turn this thing, 360 degrees. So whatever angle you want to hold your phone at, whether you want to hold it horizontal or vertically, it works. And then up here on the top has another another knob. As you can see, it gets bigger for a wider phone. Now I am shooting this on my old trusty Samsung S10, Samsung Galaxy S10. I've had it for a little while now. I'm not a super big smartphone person. I don't text a lot. I don't talk on the phone at all, really. So I just need a phone that can take a decent picture, a decent camera, and I'm pretty happy, honestly. So here we have our power brick and the plug that goes in. Let's see, where's this going to go in here? Alright, the port is off to the side. And I'll get this plugged in for you guys. Let's see, I have an outlet on my lamp over here. I'll use that. Alright, let's give this a go. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's going on? I don't know. Oh, there it is. I don't think I had it plugged in all the way. There we go. User error, guys. My fault. But you can see a nice brightness there. Let's see. Yep. The touch is pretty responsive. So we have the bright white light. Well, I guess that would have been more warm. This is a white. Then more yellow, warmish. Almost like a sunset tone that we got coming in the window there. So I really like that a lot. I know my wife's going to enjoy this. She does streaming on Reddit. Painting. This is going to serve her well. So I'll cut that off. And last but not least, we have this Bluetooth clicker here. You can see it says iOS or Android. I'm actually using it now as I record. So basically all you do is you turn on this switch on the side of the remote. It will go into pairing mode. You go on your phone, you open up Bluetooth, and you'll see, I think it says Ubeesize. Let me double check. Let's see, pairing. Yeah, Ubeesize. Sorry. There you go there. Ubeesize will come up in your Bluetooth selections. Click that. And then when you turn on your phone and go into the camera settings, whether it's a picture or a video, all you have to do is click the corresponding button to your phone, and it'll start. It'll either take the picture or start the video. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I guess the last thing to do is just assemble this. So I'll show you how simple that is. So I'll leave this as a tabletop version, just like that. Let's get some of these boxes out of here. I just cleaned up a mess in my last video. I don't need to create another one here. So we got our tripod. I'm going to leave it small. This thing goes left and right. It goes forwards and backwards. There's knobs here to tighten everything. It spins around. It's a great little tripod, especially for the price. I think I might have paid $20-something for this. I don't know. I'll put it here. I paid for this on Amazon. Okay, so next I'm going to take the phone holder and I'm just going to sit it here on this knob. See the opening there at the bottom. Just going to set it on there and start twisting this knob to tighten it in. You know, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and boom, it's on. It's not going anywhere. And then, like I said, there's this knob on the back. If I wanted to put a phone in there, let's see, what do I want to use? What can I stick in here? I'll stick this guy in here. So I'll open that up. Actually, that's going to take forever. I'm not going to do that. You get the idea. You can stick something in there, maybe even a camera. There you go. Tighten the screw. Boom, your camera's in there. You got this guy loose. Tighten it up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And boom, it's not going anywhere. So then all you have to do now, there's another hole at the bottom that corresponds with this screw on the tripod. Just sit that bad boy on there. Actually, you probably could, nah, you don't have to take it off. There's another screw underneath here. You see me spinning it right there? That's gonna tighten this up on the bottom, so let's do that. Alright, so get that in there. Come on. Oh, I'm going the wrong way, guys. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna speed this up probably. There we go. That's on there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I guess if you wanted to, you could carry this thing around without the ring light. If you just wanted to hold the tripod and put the camera down on here, you definitely could do that. But overall, I really like this thing. It's pretty cheap. It's pretty sturdy. This thing's got to be a couple pounds altogether. It feels well made, even though I know it's, you know, mass produced and everything. For 20-something bucks on Amazon, and it came the next day. It's pretty hard to beat. So, like I said, I'll put the link in the description. Just a quick little video. I don't even know if you can see all this. Just a quick little video to show you what I got. And I'll probably throw some B-roll in there later. Just to get some practice for myself. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for joining me at Gilded Tech. And till next time.